What's your name?
I was getting my bow.
Yeah, okay. Don't make out people That's how she does that. Yeah, exactly. I want to be like, yeah, me too. But I won't change. You won't change. I won't change it. Yeah, I mean, you know what? I'll bet you.
Look at your man with the feathers on his back.
He's my man. I was with him when he bought that car. Except he was in Rochester.
Oh, okay. Oh.
He was in Rochester, and I was here. And he put the camera in the room with him, the webcam, and I said, I want to see you naked. And he said, not until I get down there.
That's right.
He was so, you know.
You tell me this one?
Huh?
She wasn't telling you.
I was telling Peggy. Well, I mean, she was commenting that she liked his shirt because
I'm fucking with her, not you. You'll get your turn.
she's wearing
Mockeries.
mockeries. He has feathers.
You know what it stands for, right?
No, Mom and
No.
You were about to get.
right. M-O-C-K.
No.
M-O-C-K. You know what it stands for.
Mickey Mouse and
No.
crack.
Maternal order of cock kickers.
Yes, that's one of the meetings.
That's only when we're not around little kids.
Haley. Cackle Club.
Haley called and left me the sweetest message from my birthday.
Oh.
Yeah, you're a cock.
She did.
Oh, cool. Tried to get her to come out.
She left me the sweetest birthday message. Oh my God, it
A
was.
hover.
Thank you for being
Come here, Hover Girl.
Is that like cover girl?
She's not a cover girl. She's a Hover Girl.
Copper girl.
She's the Hover Girl. Not the Cover Girl. I love it. I want to take you.
Oh. Yeah, I know tomorrow at 10. Because I think I know what's wrong.
What? Too much sucking. I mean, that'll do it.
The cyst is right there. I think we're just watching my nose up. You're probably going to ask the doctor about it.
That'll do it. There's a cyst blocking the milk jug. It'll do it. Tell them to go ahead and suck a little hard and suck that cyst down. Then you'll go. You got the cyst. Suck that cyst out. Suck it a little hard and suck the cyst out. Too much sucking will make that'll happen.
Dennis is playing for Justin for the rest of the night.
Justin said he was sick.
See if I I hover and don't actually smoke it, I don't cough
Some
like
I've
that.
had for a while. Some I've had for a while.
Still get the
Jack.
same
Drive around again. Same spot. I don't know where this is. Not that many bikes here.
Justin is the youngest damn one in the band by by over 20 years.
Yeah.
And he complains and wimps
He's a
out.
hypochondriac. It's because of who he lives with.
Oh yeah, she feeds him.
She's a hypochondriac. She feeds him shit.
The day they were at Harlem, he needs to take a break. He needs to take a break, and he's supposed to be playing that. You got to take
Oh, that's just good.
And he didn't show. He told him
It's almost like a shotgun.
It smells like people put it out in the air.
No, officer, I wasn't smoking, I swear. Why do I smell like it? I have no idea.
We went to a garage sale the
She's
other day.
Bogarting.
I know she is.
We went to a
The
garage
birthday's
sale the
girl
other day.
Bogart.
We walked in there, the guy goes, "Can we help you? Come on in. You're gonna have to buy something."
I was
The whole house
trying to
smelled
get
like
her
dope.
high.
You had 3 hits from it.
I was trying to get
Where
her
is
high.
it? Show me where it is.
Somebody else can
He didn't
try
Trying
have
to
it.
help her
breakfast
out.
on.
Somebody else can try
I'm
to
not
help her.
driving.
I know, but you still got time. Even if it is your birthday.
Here.
Okay, I'm high now.
Shotgunner.
That's
I'm
right.
so high now.
Did you get him?
Well, that's her smoke.
Elle's gonna try it. I went to fall into her and she moves. God, you make it so easy. I went to fall
Did
into you.
did you fall for that?
Right, so I said, but she went to fall into you and she fell.
She always kisses me. And I always kiss her.
Don't move next time.
Absolutely.
There's a whole porch out.
I'll kiss anybody. I love to kiss. I'm sorry. Oh, I got some.
Yeah, you got some.
I may not give you any tongue, but I'll kiss your lips.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
my shirt keeps sticking to this. It's like my dress keeps sticking to it.
It's the static in it. The humidity versus the coolness of
Are you
the
playing
dress.
with my butt, baby, or who?
No, that's one of those things that are.
No, it's me.
It's a panty thing. It's a panty problem. When you wear panties, you stick to the
They're up my
truck.
they're up my ass.
Damn, you gotta put toothpicks in there. Hold it back.
Oh,
Just
no.
stop wearing them.
Yeah, just.
Yeah, him and George has got a bet as to what time they'll drop to my ankles before the night's over.
Yeah.
I'm saying 9:10.
Stop! Y'all are right.
I almost got a birthday card for you that said, "True friends make them pee their pants."
You made this go out on your cheek. Did you know that? There's no fire. I don't have a light. I need a light.
That's what was on your cheek. Oh, I put it out on my face.
Good job.
Oh, man. Where's that card? I need to pay. It's at the store. I didn't buy it. I got You gonna make me pee from laughing now. I want to go over the side thing right there and
That's what
pee.
it said. True
Yes.
friends do.
She always makes me pee in my pants from laughing.
Oh, you are feeling bad. And you're wearing pants.
Yeah. It won't just run down your leg. It'll
From
make
her
her leg wet all the way.
birthday. She's wearing pants.
She
I'm
always makes
changing
me.
her.
She always makes me pee when we laugh.
She's wearing bras. She's wearing
Listen, I'm
underwear.
gonna tell you what happened. Usually she falls when she's drinking and dancing, so I thought it was a good idea. If she wear panties tonight, this way she does fall, no one's seeing her coochie. You know what I mean?
We've all seen it.
So,
You're the only one that has a thing with
and
that.
then listen, then we're driving here, and I said, listen, we made cupcakes. How are we gonna ride the bike here, anyways? You would have been wearing pants anyways.
He
She goes,
was
no, I would have
saying
worn a dress.
if I had my bike here, how would we make
Oh
it?
yeah, but if you wore leggings under that, it'd be adorable.
Oh,
And
I
your
told him, I
boots.
said I would still ride this. I would just do this on the bike and go.
You know,
I'd be sitting
No,
on it.
just wear,
Nice.
get some leggings in one of the colors.
Hey, I've worn a skirt on a bike
I've
and won a game.
ridden a bike
Almost
with
won a
heels and or boots. And,
It doesn't matter what's in between because it's covered by him. It's just.
Yeah, I've ridden with a skirt.
Yeah.
He said, "Oh, hot baby." He said, "That's cool. I love that shit." He said, "Can you ride with a dress like that?" I said, "Hell yeah, I can ride."
Yeah.
Cool. You can do
Doesn't
this.
have to be side saddle.
Night 10, right? Night 10?
You do that. Get on that bike. I said, I can straddle it and ride. Nobody sees shit. Who cares if they do?
Are you gonna light that or are you just gonna play with it?
Don't play with it.
You don't need any more.
I'm gonna light it.
There it goes. Watch out for your nails. Blow up.
No, that's just a door. I used to lit. I can live a light on fire. With the joint, with my fingernails because they.
Oh, good luck with that. I don't need it.
Oh, yeah.
It's gone.
Okay, Torchy.
I'm good.
Okay, Torch.
Oh, look.
It's leaking.
I'm leaking.
Feathers are leaking.
I'm leaking feathers.
Thank you, all. That was good.
It will be in a few minutes.
Yeah. She'll be all bouncy in a minute.
It will be in a few
You gonna wear
minutes.
it? Oh, you get to wear it. Wear your ring.
I promise.
Let's go talk to that moron from Bond.
No, I don't want to talk. I don't want
Look at you.
I don't want anything.
Look at you. Look at you.
Honey,
Call
are
me
you
Janice.
okay?
No. Call me Janice.
Do you need- What kind of help
I
do
know. I
you
gotta
need?
get a picture of it. Gotta walk
That'll
slow
be
so I can
good.
get my camera out. 'Cause-
You can hold on to my.
Something to hold me
Hold on to your.
You know, anything in the lower half of the body, you know, is the lower center of gravity.
That's your story and you're sticking to it.